Hey y'all, it's TT Lavish, and today I'm going to show you how I got this poppin' pink hair. Stick around and find out. It was super quick and super easy, and I'm going to go through all the steps with you, how to get it in the fastest, most efficient way. Alright, so here we have some beautiful blonde hair in 613. It's looking very healthy, very silky. Oh, look at that shine. Yes, that shine is doing something to me. Alright, let's put this on a mannequin so we can get started. So today we'll be using Adore semi-permanent hair color in Cotton Candy 190 and Fruit Punch 191. We're also going to need a bucket, hot water, gloves, small clear cups, and something to stir with. So you probably wonder what we need all these cups for, and it's because we're going to save ourselves a lot of time and headache by doing small batches with different ratios of color. But first, I'm going to protect my table by putting down some paper or plastic. I'm going to shake that up so y'all can see the color. Oh, we got a little bubble. So this is Cotton Candy, and I just want to see what it looks like on the hair by itself. So we're going to stir that up. And this is why we need the clear cups. So I'm trying to see what the color would potentially look like by putting the hair behind, and I was trying to show y'all until I started spilling it. But yeah, y'all see what I'm doing, y'all see. So now I'm gonna get it in there, and I'm gonna leave it in there for 2 minutes. Now we can take a look up against the white and see what that color is looking like. Alright, and then we can get into our 191 and give it a little shake. By this time the water has started to cool off, so I had to make a new batch, but once we got that hot water, it stirred right up. So leave that in for the 2 minutes, and then we can see the color that we get with 191. So now I'm just mixing around, playing with different colors and different ratios, until I got suspicious and paranoid that this was synthetic hair. Like, I don't know why I felt like this was fake hair, but you know what I did? I whipped out my flat iron, turned that beat up to them 450s, and pressed it because I wanted to know if this is real hair. But I mean, it's doing what hair do. So after careful inspection, I have assured myself it's good, it's real, it's all real. Once I figure out the color I want, I go ahead and do a larger piece. This wasn't quite the color, so I had to go back and make an adjustment. Once I got the color, I went in to do my large batch. Then I'm gonna throw in a piece, and this piece is going to be a little bit darker and more pigmented than you would want due to the ratio of hair to color in the water. But once I got the color that I need, I can go ahead and throw my whole wig in there. Once I saturated all of the hair, I went on to doing a spot treatment, and I just did this by using my small cups with approximately the same color. It doesn't have to be the exact same color, and just pouring it onto any little white spots that just didn't pick up the color. And I just want y'all to understand that the way this works is it's going to pull the color out of the water. So unless you're doing this in a huge vat where you can just quickly dunk the whole wig in, the hair is going to pick up the color unevenly until there's no more color left in the water. For me, I was going for a lighter look, and I did not want to go through the hassle of removing color and starting over and removing color. So if you're not planning on saturating this water so that the wig can pick up the full pigmentation of the hair color, and you're going anywhere below full pigmentation of color, I recommend you do small unsaturated batches, dipping your hair, letting it soak, pull it out, do another batch, and just keep layering the color on until you get your color. After doing multiple spot treatments and a full inspection, I decided I had reached my color and everything was covered evenly. We can see the beautiful color I got, looking just like bubblegum cotton candy. Yes. So I'm sorry guys, I really just did not have time to show you me styling the hair from start to finish, but I will show you one of the looks I did with this hair. Here's the hair, y'all. It's pink. So that's how you get your pink hair. I did not show y'all me waving this hair, but if you do want to see how I got these poppin' waves, you mean, I do have a video up that y'all can check that out and see how I do my waves. I have a really far forward hairline and I went through the dilemma. I was like, should I shave my hairline? Should I dye it blonde? Like, I really didn't know what I wanted to do with it, because this hair, you can't just, sometimes I just leave out some of my baby hairs and just blend it with the wig's baby hairs. But obviously with this hair color, I can't do that. So I had a whole dilemma, but I decided to just pull it a little bit more forward onto my forehead than I usually would. So if y'all like, sis, why is your wig on your forehead? That's why. And also, I already have a pretty small forehead to begin with, so it is a little bit forward, if y'all can see, but I just didn't want any of my baby hairs out, and I mean, it looks fine to me. So yeah, I really like how the color came out. I ended up wearing this hair for my birthday in Florida, but I was just doing so much running around, so I just never got the chance to show y'all the hair. But I finally showed y'all how I got it. It looks really popping, it's cute, it's adorable. I don't know if this color is for me though. It definitely does have me looking a little bit like a troll. I hope y'all see how quick and easy it is to get this hair color. I haven't decided if I'll share where I got this hair from, because technically I got this hair from a Connect. She owns a beauty supply store and she kind of just lets me test out hair before she wholesale buys it for the store. And I don't know how I feel about this hair yet, because I only wore it a couple times. I didn't get into the pool water with it. I didn't, you know, so I don't really know how I feel about this hair yet. The shirt and that pink little jumpsuit I had on are from 11 Karma. So go ahead and be sure to check that out. Link will be in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so we can keep getting into these beauty tools, tips, and secrets to keep us all slayed, and poppin'. Sure, man.